said about data strategy. Now this has been, once you started, you said data strategy, it was also stuck in my mind, because like when we're in business, we always want to have a strategy of how,
Right.
like you said that before also.
Yeah.
What is data strategy and how does it help companies to actually use this system, like a data management system, in a good way?
Right. So data strategy starts from data discovery. Data discovery means, now let us suppose this organization. Where is the data for the last 5 years? I don't think that anybody would be able to tell that this is the hard drive or this is the system where all the data resides. Maybe there is something on the USB drives, pen drives, there is something in the backup, there is something. So first of all, data strategy means you need to understand where the data is, data discovery. So discover where the sources are, discover who owns it, discover how relevant it is, discover how complete that is. That's the data discovery. Once you have the discovery, then you do the diagnosis of the data. It's exactly like you go to a doctor and doctor just he will not give you a prescription unless he does a discovery, he does a diagnosis, sometimes longer diagnosis, sometimes shorter, but without that he will not give you. The moment you stand there, he will not give you a prescription. So data strategy is also building from discovery, diagnosis, and then check how much of the data is still relevant to take you forward. Not take you backward, take you forward. And when you determine that whether the data set is really complete, if it is not complete, then you curate it. So we call it as a connect to the systems, collect the data, consolidate, bring it together. Again, if nothing is there or maybe something is missing, complement it, curate the data, and then move that data into the futuristic systems. So this is the data strategy. Again, each data set would have different attributes. Each data set is used in business differently. So you need to have this data strategy. And again, what we are doing is that we are building also the data strategy along with the process strategy, because with AI, certain things can be done easily, very easily. But organizations are still using those tedious processes where you have huge manpower, where you have lot of effort that you have to put in, rather than using AI. So our job is to bring in data, feed that data into the processes and elevate the organization, take that organization to exponential route of it. And that's what is the strategy. And this is what is actually digital transformation.
Correct.
What is digital transformation? Collecting the data, using it rightly so that you can create value out of it, so that your organization can move forward.
Yes.
But that digital transformation these days is just replaced by some technology components, and then we say, okay, here we are, we have a new system, new look and feel, new people, but it is not digital transformation. Digital transformation is a journey, and again it starts with maybe 1 or 2 years of quick results, but it takes nearly 5 years for any organization to become a digitally fully transformed.